Hi friends, my name is Anna Lawrence. Welcome to the maintenance series where the classes are less than 5 minutes long. In today's class, we'll be working on the glutes and the legs. I will be using weights. You don't need them if you're not there yet, but go ahead and grab some if you do. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and turn on some favorite music and meet me at the back of the mat. We're gonna start with step jumps. Go ahead and grab some weights if you've got them. You're gonna bring opposite hand up to about shoulder height. You're gonna lean forward, press off the left foot. The temptation is going to be to use your back foot. Try not to use it unless you need it. You're going to lean forward, step up, and then do a little hop, and then come down. We're going to do 6 of these. 2. If you want to work your glutes, you're going to keep the weight in the back of the heel. That's 4. 6. Good, and switch legs. Left hand up, right foot forward. Inhale. Exhale, lean forward, press off the heel. Rise up. And last one. And go ahead and rise up. Come to one end of your mat. Go to make a wide step to your right. Then you're going to shift into your right leg. You're going to keep your knee over the ankle as much as possible. Stay here until you feel your thigh and your glute activate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press off the heel and come over to the other side. And stay here for a moment. Keep your feet in one line. Keeping the weight in the heel. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Moving side to side for 12. We're counting each side for this one. Pressing off the heel every single time, keeping the back straight. And come up, bring your feet together, lower your weights down, long arms like me. We're gonna work on some squats. I bring my blocks out a little bit. It gives my hands and my weight a place to land without running into the floor. We're going to come up halfway, come down, and then back up all the way. Inhale, exhale, down lower. Lift halfway to about knee height, lower down, rise up, squeeze your glutes at the top, hips forward. Inhale, come up halfway to about knee height, lower back down. Inhale, press off the heels, squeeze your glutes at the top, hips forward. Go ahead. I'm doing 8 of these. Hips forward at the top, every time. Halfway, all the way. And last one. Bring the weight down. You're gonna find your hand weights again if you're using them. Moving into Curtsy Squat, just 3 on each side for a total of 6. Inhale. Exhale, step your right foot cross behind you. Lower down, keeping your front knee over the ankle. Charge up your leg, squeeze them together, keep your back straight. Inhale. Exhale, press off the heel, rise up, switch legs. Left foot back. Lowering down, inhale, press off the heel, rise up. Moving side to side. Last one on each side. And come back to center. Then lower your weights down. I like to grab a flat weight for this one. If you've got a kettlebell, you can use it too. We're gonna bring it back onto our upper back, or if you've got one on a rope, you can lower it down a little bit lower. We're going to come into Malasana squat. If you can't hold this posture with a flat back, go ahead and grab a towel or something you can roll up and place under your heels to keep the form. And inhale, settle in, keep your knees apart, keep your chin slightly down. Exhale, hug your belly in, lift your glutes to about knee height and lower down. We're just here for 8, 6, 5, 4. Keep your knees apart. 3, 2, and 1. Let it go. Lower your weight down if you've got one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This concludes our less than 5 minutes glutes and legs. Hope you've enjoyed this class as much as I have. It's been less than 5 minutes, but I'm feeling it. I hope you are too. I hope to see you again.